Okay, in today's video we will find out what's the architecture of Android, how Android architecture works, and how the things are well placed in a architecture pattern in Android architecture, so that every application you install it works well. How actually it functioning. Okay, let's go through it and analyze how it's functioning. I have two graphics, this one and this one. Both are almost same. This one is little bit complex, but it places all the information in a colorful matter, so that you can understand the layer wise how it works. Okay, and this one is the informative means each layer having its own naming conventions, means limitation area, so that applications works within that framework or within that limitations and communicate with other layer. So let's find out. What is the Android architecture? Actually, Android architecture is nothing but it contains different number of components to support any Android device needs. It's a different number of components. These are the components. Okay, it's a software basis, or it's a framework, it's library, collection of libraries, it's a collection of hardware interaction libraries. These are the, and some of our C++ libraries, some of our Android libraries, some of our custom built libraries. Okay, the main components are in this graphics. You can see that first is applications, then application framework, then Android runtime, then platform libraries, and Linux kernel. Now go to this one. Applications means system apps. These are the pre-installed application. You can say that dialer, email, calendar, camera, contact list, or home. These are the pre-defined installed applications. Even the application you are going to install will exist in this layer also. Okay, next layer is application framework layer. One more thing is application actually is the topmost layer, means visible layer, means the interactive layer. Whenever you are downloading any application from App Store or Google Play Store, the application download from Google Store to your device. Okay, the device screen where the device screen we are seeing, or the visible to us, is the application or presentation layer. Means, okay, this is the application, we are going to use it, or we are going to utilize the functionality of that applications. That all this happens with the applications. In a real-time scenario or in a real-time example, if you can say that giveaway or restaurant giveaway counters or parcel counters, you can say that whenever you give some orders, or you are booking some food orders and going to take your parcel from food counter, that is the presentation. Okay, you are interacting something, okay, either through counter or that through hotel dining area. Whenever you are interacting, behind that how your food were made, how many people are working, what are the procedures, what are the recipes, you don't know anything about that, but you order something and you get delivered that order as per your requirements, or as per your order details. Okay, that is the one part, that is the application. Okay, and the application communicates with the application frameworks. These are the, okay, let me, okay, This one is your application layer. This your application framework layer, means Java API, container API, or this one activity, location, package, notification, resource, telephone, then window, content providers, and view system, and there are other many other things. Okay, but the communication process, the application or your application installed in the Android system communicate with the API framework, or you can say that activity manager or notification manager. These are this application layer communicates with application framework. Application framework provides several important classes which are used to create Android applications. Okay, it provides a generic abstraction of hardware access and also helps in managing the user interface with application resource. All this normal things. It includes different types of services: activity manager, notification manager, just like this one. Okay, activity manager, notification. So what you say that application framework provides several important classes. Okay, as I said that this layer communicates with this layer through classes or APIs. Obviously classes. Generally it provides services or APIs. Yeah, that's okay. So this one communicates with this one. Okay. Third layer is this one, library and runtime. So whenever your application is communicate and ready to compile, so Android runtime environment is one of the most important part of Android. It contains components like core libraries and DVM, Dolby virtual machines. These are the runtime virtual and core libraries. Means these are the hardware level libraries, media like graphics, SQLite, security, OpenGL. These are the core libraries. This one third layer. Okay. Media, what are the media library provides? Obviously the codec systems or audio recording, video recording, or image storing, or graphics formats. These are the, or this one, the SSL provides the secure layer. Okay, this layer actually, this library provides for security to your applications. So every application you are securing your application go through this one. Okay, it checks whether it's phishing or not, if there is any checkpoint in of your applications. That's why we always recommend to use SSL or HTTPS recommended sites or web services. So your application comes from applications. Whenever you click some button or any event happens, it communicates through framework. Then it communicates through platform libraries, that is the core platforms. And the last is this one. This one is nothing but the, what I said, memory or hardware core level or device drivers. Actually device drivers are display, audio, Bluetooth, camera drivers, okay, USB drivers, Wi-Fi drivers. They are the hardware level applications. So this one is the last I think let's go to the previous one. Okay, let's go to here. So here application is installed here. Okay, whenever you are going to do some action, or when you are going to do some activity on your application, it go through this stage, or API or frameworks. Okay, the frameworks we called in the libraries we used in Android, that is called APIs. Okay, every version having their own API or different level of features, or different level of security and activities and features in their API levels. I think right now 32 API level 32 or 33 is running. If I am wrong, please correct me. Okay. Then the next level is this one, JIT, just in time or under runtime. These are the core libraries, not hardware libraries. These are the hardware libraries. Okay, audio, Bluetooth, camera, Wi-Fi, sensors. These are the hardware libraries. This one is for memory. Okay, this will take your memory, or memory management is what you say. Yeah, kernel is heart of Android because it manages all the available drivers such as display, security, memory, process management, network stack, driver model, network stack. Okay. This was security and network stack and memory management also. This one, this section works on memory management too. Okay. So basically your application from here to memory management, it comes from step by step. It communicates through API communicates your core libraries. Then this library communicate with the hardware libraries, if they are in hardware, or just like SSL based SSL or Bluetooth or sensor or cameras. Okay, then this communicates with the memory management. Okay, these are the basic architecture functionality, how it works. System apps, framework, native libraries, hardware libraries, kernel. Or native library nothing but under runtime. Okay. So these are the step by step. Hope you will get hope you have got some basic ideas about how it functioning, how it works. Okay. Thank you.